no, you don't. Get it? No, stop it. Now, you've been here before, come on. Hey? See? Oh, look at that there. Oh.
Be careful.
Yeah, I know. Why I go by the neck. And if she does, I put her in the lie down.
No, she's being filmed, so.
Yeah. But she's used to being pampered by the women, aren't you? They go to the parlour and everything like that, and they give you a haircut and everything. They give you bickies. Eh? Look, Jenny, no, I know where you're going,